At exactly 2:13 a.m., the hallway camera captured footsteps outside her door. She was alone, or at least she thought she was. The shadow stopped, right in front of her apartment. No knock, no sound, just silence. Minutes later, her lights turned off. By morning, the door was still locked from the inside, but she was gone. Investigators later said the camera never recorded anyone leaving. Sometimes, the final footsteps don't walk away. Subscribe to Final Footsteps for more true crime stories.